What are the tests to conceive? The basic tests for conception. This is very important to know. So what are the basic tests? Many times a patient comes to the OPD. They have got everything done, but they are trying naturally, or they have undergone an IUI cycle. And in that, the HSG means the tube test is also only not done, the hysterosalpingography. So basically it is very important that you should be aware of all the basic tests that is required for a conception. So now we'll just grade all your parts. So coming to a female. So female, what all things are required? You have got a uterus, you have got fallopian tubes, you have got ovaries. So an ovary makes an egg in each cycle. That egg is picked up by the fallopian tubes. Then the sperm comes through the uterus. It goes up. It meets the egg in the fallopian tube. The embryo is formed there, and then it subsequently comes in the endometrial cavity and it implants there. So basically we have to check all these defects. Is there any defect there? Is there any deficiency in the hormonal levels of those parts? Or is there any problem, general problem in the blood of the female, like the thyroid hormones are abnormal, or the prolactins are fluctuating, or there is like anemia, generalized any debility in the patient? We have to check all these. So coming to the basic tests of conception. So first and foremost, we need to take the history of both the male and the female partner. We need to check what is their sexual frequency. Do they have sex often? Is somebody in a private roaming job, like they are into traveling? So in those cases, the husband and wife can't meet only properly. They don't have any physical intercourse. So we need to check this. It's very important, the sexual frequency. Secondly, we need to check their interest. Are they having any problem in their sexual life or not? Then we come to all the tests. We need to check the blood group and Rh typing. We need to do the HB electrophoresis, the test for thalassemia. We need to do that. It's necessary if you're planning for a conception. Then we do your complete blood picture, your general tests, like your body's functioning normally or not. Because many cases the patients haven't undergone any test before in their life and they just don't know. So we have to do these tests for both the male and the female partner. We check their general health status. We do the RFT, we do the LFT, we do their sugar analysis, we do all their viral markers also, in fact, to see whether there is any infection or not. Then coming to the specific targeted tests for the fertility, for the conception. In that, we check your eggs, we do a serum AMH for that, we do your testing for your fallopian tubes, we do a hysterosalpingogram for that, we do test for your uterus also by doing an ultrasound. There are good ultrasound techniques right now. We can do 3D, 4D scans to check whether there is any genetic defects, any congenital problems. And if a patient, all these three are normal, then if a patient is giving any history of any problems, then we can go for karyotype also. Otherwise, usually it's not required if a normal female is coming to the OPD. Then the checking of the male partner is very essential. For the male partner, we also need to do a semen analysis for them and a semen culture sensitivity for them. Culture sensitivity is also very important because in many cases the infection is there, but it doesn't come, that the patient doesn't know, there are no symptoms, it is asymptomatic. So if we do a culture sensitivity, many times it just tests positive, and in these cases we can give you medications and we can stop problems that can happen due to infection. So these are some of the basic tests that needs to be done for conception. So you should have all these tests done, because getting one test done and getting other tests not done is not a solution, because the whole report, the whole thing, you are seen as an individual. Like a human body requires an eye, head, hands, feet, everything. So that is the way we need all the tests to decipher, to come to your diagnosis. And then you should go and just discuss all these tests with your doctor. That is very essential, that whether you are fit for a normal conception or you should take some intervention. That should be your protocol, and then only you should postpone planning your pregnancy. Or if you're planning your pregnancy, before that also you should get all this done, because if there is any problem, then the doctor might give you a small dose of some medication which is going to take you to a good healthy baby and a good healthy pregnancy. We care about you.